Ona thengia ruhonge rwa wendia wa nyama rwa KMC gukorwo rwarugoririo makiria ya miaka 68 mihituku, waguku na hathara nicio ikoretwo ikirugumira o mwaka. Thengia mamilioni ma mbeca maria thirikari ikoretwo ikiruigira keheri-ini hari o mwaka wa kigina. Ruhonge ruru ruria rwarugoririo weru mwaka-ini wa 2006 thutha wa kuhingwo kwa ihinda ria miaka 15 rirukirie kuhingwo kaimana makiria kuumana na kwaga umithio rukiandikithia hathara o mwaka.
We are closing down KMC. What is the problem of KMC? They have no source of produce that they require, which is animals. They have 2,000 acres of land there, whereby they can hold at any given time over 10,000 animals. That is not their business. Open it to the private sector.
Kuringana na minista wa urimi Mwangi Kiunjuri, wanagutwika eka nyingi cia migunda iri rungu rwa ruhonge ruru, gutire mahiu maigagwo kuo undu uria riu gucenjia. Migunda ino ikiheo Mukenya wothe ungienda kuiga mahiu kuma arimi anini nginyagia arimi anene.
We are targeting these small holders because again we are not advertising, we are not giving conditions. As long as you can perform and show us the program, even if you are going to start a feed lot of 100 animals, we are going to allow you. We shall allow that person who can invest in 100 and that one who can invest in 1,000,000.
Kuona ruhonge ruru riu rugukorwo ruri moko-ini ma andu kiumbe, thirikari ni iraniire gutigirira faida niyoneka guku ikinyita mbaru arithia mahiu kwitukira mitaratara ya githomo kia mahuti na miraithiria iria yagiriire.
We shall be pushing these smallholders so that these farmers can grow hay in a big way, advise them because the market is there. What is required of growing hay? The coordination is required.
Handu-ini ha metha onjori ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.